So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down. Now you want to find Bluetooth Audio Gateway Service. You want to double click on it. Change your startup type to automatic and then click on start, which will then make the service status running, and then click on OK. And now for the one under it, Bluetooth Support Service, you want to double click on it, startup type, automatic, and then click on start, which will then make the service status running, and then click on OK. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search again and type in Device Manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you should be having Bluetooth right here. If you do have it, then you want to expand it. Then you want to find your Bluetooth device, you want to right click on it, and then click on Update Driver, and then click on Search Automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in Troubleshoot Settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on Other Troubleshooters. And now you want to scroll down till you find Bluetooth. Click on Run. And now this will come up. Wait for this to load. And then once this loads up, you want to click on Yes. Then you just want to follow through all the steps that will come up. And then hopefully this will fix your problem. If you want to send or receive files using Bluetooth, you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and click on this PC. Now you want to find the drive where you have Windows installed on. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. That's how you know it's the correct one. You want to double click on it and then click on Windows. Now you want to scroll down till you find System32. Here it is. You want to double click on System32. And now right here where it says search, you want to type in FSQUIRT, and now this will come up. And then once we're here, you want to right click on this FSQUIRT with the Bluetooth icon, click on Show More Options, and then click on Send To, and then click on Desktop. It's now going to appear on our desktop. Let's double click on it. If you want to send or receive files, you can do it through here.